Diophantus from Alexandria, born probably between 201 and 215 AD and died at the age of about 84 years, probably around 285 and 299 AD. Diophantus is the author of a series of books called Arithmetica, but many parts of the book are now lost. Diophantus is called the father of algebra. The text deals with solving algebraic equations. While reading Claude Gaspard's work, Diophantus, a mathematician, arrives. Here the Parma concludes that the particular equation considered by Diophantus had no solution and note in the margins, without elaboration, that he had found very good evidence incredible and is now called the Fermat-Last theorem. This led to tremendous advances in number theory with the study of Diophantine equations, Diophantine geometry, and the Diophantine approach remains an important area of mathematical research. A little is known about the life of Diophantus. He lived in Alexandria, Egypt during the Roman era, probably between 200 and 214 AD to 284 or 298 AD. Diophantus has been widely described by historians as Greek, non-Greek, Hellenist Egypt, Hellenist Babylon, Jewish or Chaldean. Much of our knowledge of Diophantus comes from the 5th century Greek anthology of games and puzzles by Metrodorus. One of the problems, sometimes called the inscription on his tombstone, is found. Here is Diophantus. Behold the miracle. Through the art of algebra, stone tells how old he is. God gave him his childhood 1/6 of his life, 1/12 younger when the mustache grew, and then the 7 marriages have begun. In 5 years came a new bouncing sound. Unfortunately, the beloved son of a lord and a sage, after reaching half of his father's life destiny, fate took him after entertaining his fate with nobody studying for 4 years. He ended his life. This conundrum implies that Diophantus' age, x, can be expressed as x equal to x/6 plus x/12 plus x/7 plus 5 plus x/2 plus 4. This gives a value of x equal to 84 years. However, the accuracy of the information cannot be independently compared. Like many other Greek mathematical treatises, Diophantus was forgotten in Western Europe during the Dark Ages. But the part of Arithmetica that survives is that all ancient Greek texts transmitted to the early modern world were copied by and thus known to medieval Byzantine scholars. Arithmetica was first translated from Greek into Latin by Bombelli in 1570, but the translation was never published. However, Bombelli borrowed heavily for his algebraic book, Editio Principes of Arithmetica, published in 1575 by Stillander. The most famous Latin translation of Arithmetica was made by Bachet in 1621 and became the first freely available Latin edition, where the Fermat had a copy, studied it, and made notes on the side. Arithmetica is Diophantus' principal work and the most prominent work on Greek arithmetical algebra. This is a collection of problems that give numerical solutions to the equations of determination and indeterminacy. Of the original 13 books comprising Arithmetica, only 6 have survived, although there are some who believe that 4 of the Arabic books discovered in 1968 were also by Diophantus. There are several Diophantian problems of arithmetica also found in Arabic sources.